Good evening. Tonight, Audrey, my good friend, and I have gathered to share some insight to other homeowners that might be facing some financial difficulties. Audrey, can you tell me about the struggles you have been facing?
Hello, everybody. I'd like to once again introduce myself. My name is Audrey Overpeck. I have been friends with Maria for over 30 years. We actually went to nursing school together. Part of my financial struggles have been I had a family tragedy the last year where my 46-year-old brother that was fit as a fiddle dropped dead of a heart attack on a tennis court with his family in Florida. And we flew back and forth to see him, and he actually ended up passing away in a hospice down in Florida, which kind of set me behind on some of my bills. At that time, I had gotten also sick myself and developed a very rare form of cancer on my foot and required a couple of surgeries. And even though the hospital I work at pays 60% of my disability, it was still making it very difficult for me to be able to make ends meet. Once again, as you further and further get farther behind, you can never really dig yourself out of the hole. And as winter comes and utility bills came, I just became inundated with financial burden that I was not be able to overcome.
Okay. Did you try any help prior to you contacting me?
Yes, I did. And actually, Maria, what ended up happening is that I felt it was necessary that I contacted you because I think there's companies out there that know that you're suffering from financial hardship just because you get behind on your payment, and there must be some sort of clearing list. But I finally told myself, I've known you for a long time. I needed to overcome some of my guilt and my shame that I had about not being able to reach those financial difficulties, and to tell myself, I hope other people that you come in contact with don't wait till they feel hopeless or all can be lost, because the sooner that they come to you, the quicker that you'd be able to help them, and there's a lot less hoops to jump through.
And also, just to share with everyone, you are also a victim of one of the companies that are scamming our homeowners out there right now, taking money up front, and later, I believe, after they had taken $3,000 from you, offering to do your loan modification. Their business was shut down and you were unable to contact them.
You're absolutely right. And at that time, that's when I started feeling really hopeless. And I told myself, now, as I look back on it, I wish that I would have called you right from the beginning, put my pride and my embarrassment and shame to the side, because I find that you're very, very non-judgmental in my hardship, and you've only been here to support me. And as a friend, I truly, truly appreciate all that you have done for me.
Thank you, Audrey. I appreciate you sharing your story with us tonight, and we will get you through this. Thank you.
Thank you, and good night.